Good day, traders. How we doing today? Well, it wasn't the best for the best of instruments today, but it seemed to be pretty good for the NASDAQ, which we are looking at the 5-minute NASDAQ right here. 5 minute. Let's say minutes. Hold on. There is an S on that. 5 minutes. Okay. I always look at it as the 5-minute chart. Okay, let's check it out. So we have a high, a retracement, and a higher high with a higher low on the indicator. I mean, a lower high on the indicator. Okay, let's get that straight. So you would have got in right in here somewhere in there. Your stop would have been only 10 points. Went down 20, so you got 2 to 1. Then we had you could call it a double top now. If you're really looking for trades, right? Because there isn't that many. There wasn't that much movement. How much was it from the top to the bottom? Only 62 points from here to here on the NASDAQ. Very slow moving day, I would say. Yes, I would say. So then we had a hook. I mean, not a hook. A higher close. Sell it. Down it goes. Here's another one and another one. There's one right there. And another one right on top of there. So we had 3 higher closes and lower it goeses. No, there's no goeses word. That's not a true word. Okay. And down here we have a low, retracement, lower low, and they bought it right off the pivot, right back up. But this isn't lining up with it. This is going down, this is going down, this needs to be going up. And it's not. So there's no divergence there. So we had our divergence here. It was a winner. Then we had more higher close, sell it down it goes trades, which were all good. 4 setups. Okay, let's move on now to the S and the P. Same kind of trade. You have a high and a higher high. Just like that. And the entry would be right there on the opening of that candle. Your stop would have been like 3 points. This is the S and the P. Did we get our 3 points? Yeah, we did. Just by the nick of our nose. And then we went back up, back down, up, back down, up, back down. Yeah, but here's another trade right here. I slept through all of this today. I just woke up like 15 minutes ago. Anyway. And the entry would have been on this candle. Hasn't finished yet. 4-point stop. Did it give us 4 points? Not yet. So far 3 points and then a retracement. There was divergence there also, a high and a higher high. Look at that. Twin divergences right here. There are twins. And then the US 30. Let's look at the 5-minute. Low, retracement, lower low, but no, there's no divergence there to buy it. This trade here did not qualify for a Lower close, buy it, up it goes trade. Neither did this one because it's far from the 5, and neither did this one. The only one that qualified was up here, and after 1, 2, 3 of them, I would not take that trade up there. Remember, I told you many times, the first one's probably going to work. The second one, it's got like about a 60% chance. The third one, don't do it. Just don't do it because you can't trust it. And it was right. You couldn't really trust this here. Well, this is the Dow, right? So if you did buy up here, it went up 14 points. See, not good, not enough. There's one right there, actually, to the downside now. There's divergence here too, right here. Now I was just sell it on the opening right here. So far you would be in profit, but anyway, there's that trade. Let's look at the pound now. Maybe it moved. Oh, it went back down, huh? Yeah, it went down really good. Okay. We have a low and a lower low. And we have that. So you would have got in long right here. It's not a very good day to trade. I would say tomorrow, don't even bother. Don't even bother, but I'll still show the setups just in case. Just in case there's some. So you would have got in long right there, and it didn't really go anywhere. 16 pips it went up. How much was the stop? 21 pips, yeah. Here's like a double top right here. See, we got short right in here. And down it goes. 19 pips. And going. That's about it for the pound. The euro, same thing, eh? And we have divergence right here. We're coming down in a downtrend. This is hard to see bullish, bearish divergence. It was much better on the euro. You would have got short right there. Your stop would have been 13 pips. Went down 34. Then we had divergence again. Hidden divergence. It's like that to there, see? Right there, sell it. And down it goes. 30 pips right there. Let's take a look at the pound yen. Oh, it really shot up here. Wow. When did it do that? At 5 to 11 today. 11 o'clock. Maybe there was some news then. Yeah, don't know. But anyway, we had hidden divergence right here, which I call hard to see divergence. Okay, just like that. When it got short, went down 70 pips. Okay, stop would have been about 30. So you got your 2 to 1. Euro yen, what is it doing? Had divergence right from the tail end of the UK session into the US session. High and higher highs. just like this. Yeah. Stop was 20 pips. Went down 25 pips. And that's about it. There's no divergence to buy it before the spike. Let's take a look at gold. Just roaming hills, eh? Just the hills here. Like I told you, gold is not, you might get one day out of 7 where it's divergent, and the other 6 days it's like this. It's just, it's not very divergent friendly, and I've said that. But for, as per one of my students' request, Mr. Fook from Malaysia, he wanted me to cover it, and that's why I cover it. I don't see any divergence here. Well, we could say right here. It's kind of like a double bottom. You would have bought right in there. Even though it's not perfectly divergent here, it told us right here that, hey, buy, it's going to probably go up because the price closed up above the 2 moving averages. The 5 crossed up right here and closed up here. Yeah, it would have been a good trade to go. And then here's another one that we could say the same thing, right? Take it from the body of the candle. Double top up there, if you really wanted to look for them, right? A lot of people would never take this trade saying, oh, it's not perfect and whatever, and even I was not even really considering it until just now. But what really counts, though, is if you get strong candle that closes down almost at the low of the candle, closes below the 2 moving averages, you can say you have a double top here. Once this happens, you can say, hey, I can do this. I can try this, right? So you would have sold it here, and it went down 33 ticks or points or whatever, so you would have done good. Came right down to the pivot here of the day, main pivot. It's bouncing off the main pivot right here. Dancing on the main pivot, I should really say. Okay, let's move on to the last one of today. Right here, oil. Yeah, what a joke. Oil, you could say oil looks like how gold would trade. But oil sure did move on Boxing Day. Holy shit. Moved up like $3 for whatever reason. And then today we're just chopping up and down in a small, like 60 tick range. And that's it. Yeah. There's no good trade here, man. It just sucks. Probably on the 1 minute there is. Let me go look at the 1 minute for you. Yeah. There is on the 1 minute. Okay, and you basically have to trade on a day like today. You should really just be looking at the 1 minute. Well, 1 minute and 5 minute. 2 minute is good on Ninja Trader or Quant Tower or whatever you trade on. Trading View. Me, I only look at 2 charts. MetaTrader 4, and Ninja Trader 2 minute charts. So let's see here. Where's the divergence here? I don't really see any here. Here's one. Well, here's two. No, here's the divergence setups over here. Later in the U.S. session. Low and lower lows. See, lines up there, lines up there. You would have got in right here. Went up 50 points. Then we had a double top. You can see the blue line right there. You would have sold it here. Then we had divergence once again right here, low and lower lows. Right here. Don't know how you would have gotten that one because it just spiked right up. Like in 1 minute, it spiked up 60 points. So there's no trade there. Well, if you would have jumped in somewhere along the way, you would have. But that's it. That's all. That's the divergence from today. I will definitely do a video tomorrow whether there's any good setups or not. Just to call, you know, the end of the year, right? Okay, so thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. If you could please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't, I would appreciate it. Thank you to all my subscribers who subscribed lately. I really appreciate it. Have a great day, good luck, and good trading.